bank of information or patterns stored inside our brain. This is all about our consciousness of everything we have ever known and collected in the past. When we see something new or unusual, that does not go into our stored memories. Only the knowledge or the information gets stored in our brain. If it does not match with the information we already know, or if we cannot understand any new information from what we already know, we habitually raise a new question. By doing so, we are attempting to seek out an answer from someone or something who may already know the answer. After getting the answer, we feel satisfied that a question has been acknowledged. However, this is not the only reason for us asking a question. Reasons behind asking questions. If you look at children, then we can see that they ask questions as they feel curious about everything. Often, you might even get irritated by the number of questions they ask and how they do not appear to offer any sense. Children learn by asking questions. They understand that they cannot just experiment on everything. So, they ought to learn from the experiences of others around them. Adults ask questions when they find information through any media like newspapers or the internet. Even though there's no short reason for asking a question, we are still counting down on a few reasons behind the act of asking a question. We can ask a question to discover something new. Whenever we ask a question, we discover something new. The reason behind it is that we believe that in the future it may benefit us in some way or the other. For linking things together. By asking questions that are relevant to the topic, we discover new ideas and perspectives that we may have not even considered before. For example, when it comes to marketing a product, it might benefit you to know more about the mindset of your customer rather than thinking about the actions you can take to increase your sales. For doing brain exercise. As our body needs to exercise daily, so does our brain. Asking questions is just an exercise to our brain. In the process of asking a question, we often remember about someone or something that may have helped us in the past that we had forgotten. Asking a question for resolving an issue. We often ask questions to resolve issues that may have nothing to do with the topic at hand. Suppose two people are arguing about something, it might help to understand more about them and the reasons behind their arguments before we try to resolve their issue. To understand people better. Most people love to solve questions about themselves. We are all craving to be understood, not just as we get to our way, but because we want to feel relevant. So these are some of the reasons behind asking a question. The great scholars and scientists use their whole lives asking deep questions about so many things. All of us may not feel as curious as them, but we should always keep asking deep questions about the situations that we face. It is the best way to acquire the knowledge we need to make informed decisions in our life. Well, that's all for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also do press the bell icon. Bye!